here we are. This is a gas boiler, but it is extremely dirty, and we're gonna try our best to make sure it stays clean when we finish. So it was one of the first calls when I came here this morning. It was a rollout switch. It burned so bad that this thing is explode. And here's the undercarriage. Here's the undercarriage of what it looked like. So told her we couldn't do anything else, and so we have to clean the boiler first unless she's gonna replace it. Somebody already worked on the boiler. These are the gauge that they take off. They put in a new pilot and a new thermocoupling, and this is the way they leave it. So my job is to clean it, and we're gonna replace the vent damper because I didn't like how the vent damper looks, so we're gonna replace the vent damper rollout switch. So this is our boiler. Yep. This thing is really clogged. So is it overfiring or something? But this is the looks of it right now. Alright. This total custom, this thing should be replaced. We're gonna look on it, see the best we can do. Gonna put back some firewall on here because this is surely. I'm gonna call the customer so they can take a look. And this right here. So as you see, this thing was being messy for a long time. So this is what she look like. Let's see what the top look like. Can we see up there? No. All right. Here she. Is it recording, Simon? Yeah. you see nothing on this side. Some right here. So I'm gonna try to clean it again. We need a high heat furnace cement. That's what we're gonna use for our gasket. Okay. Really messy one. Alright. What we're gonna do, nice and secure. We got a new vent damper. We're gonna put on this unit. Put a couple of screws in this, in the bottom. So now we finish up top. So now we're gonna work below. We're gonna clean this bad boy up. See this? Still have the pilot in it. We're gonna put it in. We'll start it up. Let's see what we've got on this pallet. I should honestly take it off, but right.